Hello students, in this video we will construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeters, angle Q is equal to 60 degrees and PR is minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. So the diagram will be something like this. This will be a triangle, okay, where QR is the base 2 centimeters. And you will have P over here. So PR minus PQ will be 2 centimeters, where angle Q is 60 degrees. Okay, and in this case the angle opposite to the angle will be the greater side, because it is said PR minus PQ, which means PR has to be greater than PQ to give a positive number. So which means PR will be greater than PQ. Okay, usually in the previous two constructions that we have seen the side which is adjacent to the angle is usually greater, but in this case we have opposite side, the side opposite to the angle, which will be greater than the adjacent side. So let us start by constructing the base QR, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, this will be 6 centimeters. So let us begin. So we begin first by drawing a line. Okay, let us draw a line. Okay, so I have drawn a line. Next we'll have to make sure that we construct or draw cut off 6 centimeters with the help of a compass. So I'll mark this point. Okay, so this will be Q, and we'll mark this ray as QX. Okay, next we will measure with the help of a ruler. We will measure 6 centimeters. So I measured 6 centimeters. Okay. And now with Q as the point, I will cut this line here. That is how 6 centimeters. And the point where the arc cuts the line QX or ray QX, I'll mark this as R. The next part is constructing 60 degrees from Q. So all I have to do, as we have learned before, construct an arc this way here, and using the same measurement I will construct an arc using this as a center, where the line over the arc cuts the line this way. That makes our 60 degrees. So where the two arcs intersect, I'll mark the point, and now I will draw a line that passes through this point and through Q. Now we need to have a line that is longer below Q, which should come down over here, plus you should make sure that the line extends further as well. So we'll draw a long line passing through the 2 points. So let us draw the lines. Okay, make sure it passes through the 2 points like this. Okay, now that we have constructed 2, we'll mark the ray over here and over here. So I'll put this as Y, and since this is just the opposite of it, so I'll put this as Y dash. Our next step is, we are told PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. So I'll keep my point over here and I'll cut 2 centimeters here. You can even do it with the help of a scale or a ruler, but I'll do it with the help of a compass. Okay, so this will be my center, and I will cut 2 centimeters, which will be here. Now where the arc cuts the line, I'll mark a point, and I will join this point. I'll mark this point first as S, and I will join SR, and we'll draw a dotted line from S to R this way. Here. Now we will draw a perpendicular bisector to SR. So for that we need to make sure that we use the end points and construct arcs above and below SR. But in order to do so, we'll take the measurement which is more than half of SR. So I've already done so, and we'll use R as our first point, and we'll draw an arc this way on top, and then over here this way. Okay, next we'll keep it on S, and we'll draw another arc this way, just cutting on top here. So just make sure that this arc is cutting over here. Now mark the points where the two arcs intersect above and below SR, and now we will connect or draw the perpendicular bisector that is passing through these 2 points in such a way that it passes through this line as well. Here I meant this line. Okay, so it crosses this line over here. This is our perpendicular bisector, and where this perpendicular bisector intersects with QY, we'll mark that point. That becomes our P. Okay, now all we need to do is join P to R, and our triangle is then completed. So that's what we do over here. That's how it should look. Our next step is verify whether PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. So I'll measure PR first, and I get this as 5.4 centimeters. And let's see how much is PQ. So PQ comes to 3.4 centimeters. So 5.4 centimeters minus 3.4 centimeters gives us 2 centimeters. So that is how you draw this triangle. Okay, right? So I'll just put down the steps for you to understand, so that we can also have a recap as to how we drew this particular triangle. So these are the steps. So first is we draw QX, which is away from here to here. Then we cut off a line segment QR. That QR is 6 centimeters. We mark this over here. Then we have to construct a ray QY, okay, this way, by making an angle of 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees with QR, and we produce YQ to form a line YQ Y dash. Okay, then we cut off a line segment QS that is equal to 2 centimeters from QY dash and join RS or SR. Once we do that, we take a perpendicular bisector of RS intersecting QY at P, and we join PR, and we get the required triangle PQR. I hope this was easy to understand with the steps that have been mentioned below. Thank you for watching.